I never said I didn't want to help. I just said I'm busy today.
So you're saying my problem isn't important enough for you?
You're twisting my words. That's not what I meant at all.
Well, that's how it sounded to me.
I just meant I have a lot on my plate today. I didn't say I don't care.
Then why couldn't you just say that from the start?
I did. You're just hearing what you want to hear.
Maybe I overreacted, but you could have been clearer too.
Fine. I'll be more careful with my words next time.
And I'll try not to jump to conclusions so quickly.
Hey Jake, you don't look so good, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm under the weather today. I think I caught a cold.
Oh no, have you taken any medicine?
Not yet. I was planning to grab something after work.
You should go home and rest instead, you look exhausted.
I probably should, but I have so much to do.
Your health is more important, work can wait.
I guess you're right. Maybe a nap will help.
Definitely, and don't forget to drink lots of water.
Thanks, Emma. You're a lifesaver.
Hey, can you help me move this weekend?
I'll try, but no promises. I might have to work late on Friday.
That's fair. I just need an extra pair of hands for the heavy stuff.
I get it, and I'll do my best, but if my schedule changes, I might not make it.
Got it. Even if you can just stop by for an hour, that'd be great.
I'll see what I can do, but again, no promises.
No worries. I appreciate whatever help you can give.
Of course. Just send me the details, and I'll let you know.
Will do. Fingers crossed you can make it.
Same here, but if not, I owe you a coffee to make up for it.
I know it's hard, but you have to let her go.
I don't think I can. She was everything to me.
Holding on will only hurt you more, she made her choice.
But what if she realizes she made a mistake?
And what if she doesn't? You can't put your life on hold waiting for her.
It just feels impossible to move on right now.
I get it, but time will help. You just have to take it one day at a time.
I wish it were that easy.
It's not easy, but it's necessary. You deserve to be happy too.
Maybe you're right. Maybe it's time to finally let her go.
I cannot afford to make any more mistakes on this project.
I know what you mean. The deadline is so close, and there's no room for errors.
Exactly. If I mess up again, it could delay everything.
Maybe you should take a break. Stress might make you more prone to mistakes.
I'd love to, but I cannot afford to waste any time right now.
Okay, but overworking yourself isn't going to help either.
That's true, but I also cannot afford to miss any details in my report.
How about I review it for you? A fresh pair of eyes might help.
That would be great. I cannot afford to submit something incomplete.
No worries, I've got your back. Let's make sure it's perfect.
Who do you think you are, barging in here like that?
Excuse me, I was just trying to get my point across.
Well, you didn't have to interrupt everyone to do it.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were the only one allowed to speak.
That's not what I meant, and you know it.
Then maybe you should choose your words more carefully.
Maybe you should learn some patience instead of acting like you own the place.
Unbelievable. I was just trying to contribute to the discussion.
There's a difference between contributing and taking over.
Fine, next time, I'll let you do all the talking since you clearly enjoy it so much.
Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.